In today's Central Texas Heroes, we're talking about a prospect in McLennan County dealing with the court system and veterans. And two people who have been advocating for this for quite some time are joining me right now. We're here with Josh Borderud, who is the director of the Veterans Legal Clinic through Baylor at the Veterans One Stop, and Steve Hernandez, McLennan County Veterans Services Officer. First of all, tell us about this basic idea, Josh, where it came from to have this Veterans Court in Central Texas, and more specifically in McLennan County.
Around 10 years ago, the legislature in the state of Texas authorized our criminal courts to develop specialty courts that are focused on treating our veterans who suffer from TBI, traumatic brain injury, PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, and other service-related conditions whose criminal charges relate to those conditions.
What kinds of things might those be?
For example, possession of drugs, criminal trespassing, other kind of minor nonviolent offenses, some felonies, some misdemeanor, where there's mental health issues at play, and really mental health treatment is what's needed, not criminal law adjudication.
And Steve, working with veterans directly as you do, how necessary is something like this in McLennan County?
I think it's long overdue. I think that we have needed a court, a specialty court, to help veterans through the judicial process, because when they get in trouble, some of them come to terms with the fact that they may need help. And this really helps in getting them compelled to do it, unfortunately, instead of them just doing it on their own. For veterans who are suffering and veterans who have gone through a lot of the challenges of reintegration, and this would help tremendously.
So what happens next, and how soon could we see something actually coming to fruition?
Yeah, in July, the county commissioners, like you said, greenlit and placed a budget placeholder for this court to hire a court coordinator, to pay for a probation officer, and for an associate judge. But since then, 74th District Court Judge Gary Coley has stepped up and wants to take this on and is enthusiastic about it, and we look forward to working with him in developing this court. We're thinking that it will probably launch sometime in early 2019.
Okay, Veterans Court in McLennan County coming likely in 2019. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you.
All right.